Alright, we're creating a control line off of some columns here. This is one of our columns. It's got a 2 foot by 2 foot, and it's got the center line marked on it. I'm going to zoom out so you can see we got 3 of them. One, two, three, got column lines. Now we're going to create the offset over from the center. We're going to go here. I call it the upside down L, points and lines. Pick a start point. We want the center. We're just going to go 5 and 5. So 5. And it's 5 this way. If I don't need this one, I can go back and delete it. And since I didn't put it as a control point, it is, I can go there, toolbox control. Kind of mess up here. Edit, select it. Done. Okay, so there's all our control points. So we can actually, if we want to see the control line, we can actually and there you have it.